Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I want to talk about a product that I reviewed a couple weeks ago, and that is a product by Iview, and that's the smart bulb and the smart socket. Now, my contact over there emailed me today, and the other day they sent me one of their brand new Megatron 2 hybrid laptop/tablets with a 360-degree rotating screen. If you are in the market for getting something like this, I definitely encourage you to watch my video on that and check out that product. Exceptional deal. And with my coupon codes that the company's providing for my viewers, it's really a no-brainer if you're in the market for getting something like this. I mean, I'll hit you with it. $241 shipped to your door. That's a steal. Quad-core processor. It really is a great device. So I'm going to use it today to show you the smart socket because I already have this installed. I'm not going to climb up into the attic. It's not like it's a watch that I'm going to show you where you can really see it on the wrist. It basically is one of those things you plug in and you just use it. And so this is what it looks like here. That's the Iview smart plug that I just moved off the screen here. There it is. Pretty straightforward. It's a rectangular box. There is a status light on the front of it showing that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and a power switch invented when you want to use that rather than your app. Let's say you have a network failure or whatever, you're still able to turn your device on or off. Now, so far I've been using this for a couple weeks. It is compatible with Alexa, Google Home. It's compatible with their app, and what's great about this product and what one thing, if you guys have been watching my smart home tech products, one thing I can't stand is getting a new device and having to put a new app on my phone. Now, if you're new to tech stuff, it doesn't really matter. But for me, I have so many different models and devices and products that it's nice to have them all under one app. It's annoying when I have to turn on this specific lamp or that specific lamp and have to go into different apps. Well, one thing about Iview is that their products, and I just stumbled on this, their products actually will work with your Smart Life app. So if you've already purchased some devices in your home off of eBay, and a lot of those ones on eBay work with the Smart Life app. The Iview also uses what I would call the same cloud server. So that's how the whole device communicates, from your network to your phone through another network to be able to control your lights, turn on or off remotely from outside your network. And so you can add this using the Smart Life app. Sorry, I always get them confused. If you want to use the Iview app, you can do that as well. But for me, for my purposes, it was great that these devices I could add to an existing app and not have to add another app on my phone. So that's fantastic. That's something I'm really happy about because a lot of them out there, several other ones I reviewed, if I want to use them, I have to download another app. And for me, I have so many devices that it's kind of annoying to have to do that. So in addition, one thing that I always say as well is that when it comes to these smart bulbs, there are differences in the bulbs as far as the lumens, of course. You compare a LifeX bulb to the Iview bulb. Of course, the LifeX bulb is quite a bit more. In some cases, 3 or 4 times as much. But you do have better lumens, and you do have better whites, in my opinion. For me, I'm not really so concerned with that. I'm more interested in the color aspect, and having some white is nice. Now, I will say about the Iview light bulbs, their whites are actually very warm, and you can dial them in pretty well to get them to the shade of cool white you want. So they're much better than some of the other products I've reviewed. Definitely for the price that you're paying for this, if I was going to go out tomorrow and add more smart bulbs to my house, I would probably go with the Iview bulbs just because with this discount code, it really is a no-brainer. So as far as a smart plug, again, across the board, those, you don't really have any other options other than, setting timers, which they all do. Setting, turning the lights on or off from outside your network, which they all do for the most part, unless you get Bluetooth or something like that, and working with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, and this does. So that's a fantastic, set of features. That's really about it, really. I mean, and okay, so the most important thing here is what are you paying for it? Because you can buy a Samsung plug that's going to cost you $40 or $50, okay, but you can buy the Iview plug with the discount code, $11.89 shipped. That's cheaper than some of the off-brands that I found on eBay. Some of the ones I originally, when I first got involved in the smart home tech, that I got. And what I like about this plug is that so far to date, this is one of my favorite smart plugs because this plug cuts rectangular. You can actually use the upper or lower outlet. You could use 2 of them in one outlet, which all the other plugs that I've reviewed, you cannot do that. It takes up the room where you can't stack them. So this is a great, I would say very well thought out design. You know, I don't know why they make them round. I mean, they don't have to be. I think sometimes they made them round just because maybe it's kind of aesthetically pleasing. But for me, if I want to add 2 smart sockets on the same socket, I have to use an extension cord or some kind of power strip, because some of the other ones I have, the round ones, they just won't fit stacked. These will, okay? So that's a great selling feature of this device. In addition to, you know, having all the features that sockets that cost 3 times as much have, $11.89 is an exceptional value. But you can only get that through this video using the link and the coupon code. It's FATCATCULL, C-O-L-L. You'll see it in there, 30. So enter that in if you buy this, because you're going to get it for the best price. As far as the bulb is concerned, the bulb will run you, and even this is a great price as well. Using the same discount code, they retail for $19. And the specs on them, I mean, I'm not going to show you the bulb because I already showed you in the other video. But they're a little bit taller compared to some of the other bulbs I reviewed. Not compared to LifeX or any of those other bulbs, but like some of the Flux ones and the Magic Light ones. They're a little bit taller, so depending on which fixture you're going to put them in, they may or may not fit. And again, if you're going to put them in a standard lamp, they're going to fit fine, okay? Trying to think about what I have here. Yeah, they would work fine with all mine. If you're going to use them outside, again, depending on your fixture, they may or may not fit. But they're not much larger than your traditional bulb. So, as far as the light source, it's LED, works with Alexa, and it works with Google Home. They're dimmable, no hub required, and you can use them on the Smart Life app as well, or your Iview app, so you have, you know, a little bit of choice there. And what I like about these as well is the price point. They're 7-watt draw, 50-watt equivalent, and the price put on these, $19.49, okay? If we go ahead and use the coupon code here, you're going to get these shipped to your house you get both these shipped for $25.54. So let me just remove the plug here. If you just want to get the bulb, you are looking at $13.64. Guys, that is insane. That price is, I have to say, the best price for a smart bulb that I have seen to date that does what this does. And it works perfectly. I have it in my bedroom lamp. It's the kind of device for this price that I'll probably end up getting a few more of these, because they're just, I would like to put them outside, you know, I mean, in the backyard. Now, one thing let me mention beforehand, let me just double check that they can be used outside. Let me see if they actually have anything on there that says that. I'll have to check on that. I don't see anything on here saying that they can withstand any kind of moisture, but I will find out, and definitely, you know, I'll always re-review this stuff at a later date. But regardless, I think it's fantastic you can get a bulb of this quality with these features for that price. I mean, you really can't go anywhere. I haven't seen a bulb for that price anywhere that has these features. Again, whites, warm whites, cool whites, all the red RGB you could possibly want. You can set the color to whatever you want. Voice compatibility. I'm actually pretty shocked. You know, before, when I did my initial review, I was like, wow, you know, all right, it's a pretty decent value, but not exceptional. But for what, with this coupon code that they're offering my viewers here, man, if you guys want to get involved in getting some of the smart home stuff, definitely use the link. I mean, I think I'm going to use the link. All right, guys, well, thank you very much for watching. Once again, Iview, thank you so much for your generosity. Guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to drop a comment. Remember, if you're going to purchase this stuff, do it through my links. Do it through those coupon codes. Sometimes it'll be eBay. Sometimes it'll be Amazon. In this case, we're doing it directly through the manufacturer's website because the price point's exceptional with that code. So, all right, guys, thanks again for watching. Remember to click like, comment, subscribe. As always, have a wonderful day, guys. Take care.